Porsche plans to launch the Cayenne EV, an all-electric SUV, for the 2026 model year. The fourth-generation Cayenne will replace the previous petrol-powered variant, marking a significant step for Porsche towards full electrification. It is a significant step in Porsche's electrification strategy, continuing the trend of electrifying vehicles that began with models like the Taycan and Macan EV. In the evolution of the iconic SUV into the electric era, the Cayenne EV will ride on the Premium Platform Electric (PPE) platform that also powers the Audi Q6 e-tron and Macan Electric. This platform allows for flexibility in design and performance. While specific design details are still under wraps, the Cayenne EV is expected to share similar design elements with the Macan Electric, including the modern styling of the headlights and grille. Powertrain options. The Cayenne EV will come with several powertrain options. The entry-level model will likely share its powertrain with the Macan Electric, which has a dual-motor configuration with up to 509 horsepower and 630 horsepower. The turbo version of the Cayenne EV will likely have even more power, approaching 872 horsepower or even more. Specific details about battery capacity and range have not been released, but the Cayenne EV is expected to offer battery performance that is competitive with other electric SUVs on the market. The Cayenne EV will be equipped with the Porsche Connect Plus infotainment suite, which includes connectivity features such as access to Amazon Music, Nest's smart home features, and Radio Plus. This system will ensure that the vehicle is always connected to the internet via a built-in SIM card that supports LTE technology. While full details about the interior are not yet available, the Cayenne EV is expected to retain the comfort and family utility that has been the hallmark of previous Cayenne models. The Cayenne EV is expected to launch in late 2025 or early 2026. However, there is a possibility of a delay as Porsche re-examines its electrification strategy. The 2026 Porsche Cayenne EV promises to be an electric SUV that combines high performance, advanced technology, and the elegant design that is typical of Porsche.